How to Eat for Weight Loss, a comprehensive guide. Eating for weight loss involves making healthy food choices that promote a calorie deficit, which means consuming fewer calories than you burn through physical activity and daily metabolic functions. Here are some tips for how to eat for weight loss. Calculate your daily calorie needs. To lose weight, you need to consume fewer calories than you burn. You can calculate your daily calorie needs using an online calculator, or consult a registered dietitian for a more accurate estimate based on your age, sex, height, weight, and activity level. Create a calorie deficit. To lose weight, you need to create a calorie deficit of 500,000 calories per day. This can be achieved through a combination of diet and exercise. For example, you could reduce your calorie intake by 500 calories per day and burn an additional 500 calories through exercise. Eat nutrient-dense foods. Nutrient-dense foods are low in calories but high in nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Examples include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods can help you feel full and satisfied while providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Examples include fast food, packaged snacks, and sugary drinks. These foods should be limited or avoided as much as possible. Control portion sizes. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if consumed in excess. Use measuring cups, a food scale, or your hand to estimate portion sizes. For example, a serving of protein should be about the size of your palm, and a serving of vegetables should be about the size of your fist. Drink water. Drinking water can help you feel full and reduce cravings. Aim for at least 8 cups of water per day, and avoid sugary drinks such as soda and juice. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying attention to your hunger and fullness cues, and eating slowly to savor your food. This can help prevent overeating and promote a healthier relationship with food. Plan your meals. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you make healthier choices and avoid impulsive eating. Aim to include a variety of foods from all food groups, and don't forget to factor in snacks. Get enough protein. Protein can help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. Aim for a source of protein with each meal, such as chicken, fish, beans, or tofu. Incorporate physical activity. Exercise can help you burn more calories and speed up weight loss. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week, such as brisk walking or cycling. Strength training can also help build muscle and increase metabolism. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your weight, measurements, and progress towards your goals. Celebrate your successes, and adjust your plan as needed if you're not seeing the results you want. Remember, weight loss is a journey that requires patience and persistence. Small changes over time can lead to big results, so focus on making sustainable changes that you can maintain over the long term. If you're struggling to lose weight, consult a registered dietitian or healthcare provider for personalized advice. If you want to know about any specific topic, please write in the comments section so we will provide you research-based information about the requisite topic. If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell button for more interesting videos.